Hey Jess, so just tell us about your first day so far and how has your experience been so far?
It's been really good. So we started at 5. It was really warm during opening ceremonies, wearing all the layers, but definitely it's been really fun so far. It was cool to go and collect all the supplies to make our house. We almost lost Serena in a cardboard bin, but we were able to pull her out, so that was good. But no, it's just been really positive so far. Not a lot of people on campus. It's a Friday night, but people who are on campus are stopping by and talking to us, so it's been really positive and still feeling the Laurie support.
That's amazing. Tell us about why in the first place you decided to do this campaign and in general, I mean, being a participant this year, and what are you looking most for day 2?
Yeah, so I first joined 5 days when I was in second year. My roommate Megan was actually a participant, so I was a general volunteer. And it was really inspiring that I feel like we take for granted a lot of things we have, and so it kind of made me put my personal life into perspective. And so I definitely knew that was something I wanted to continue with. So last year I was the volunteer manager, and then it just seemed like an obvious next step for me. So I'd been involved for 2 years, it's my 4th year, and it was something that I really wanted to do. And hopefully I felt like I have the abilities to start conversations with people on campus. I like to talk and I'm pretty sociable, so I felt like I would be a good representative who'd be able to have those hard conversations with students and hopefully erase the negative stigmas around youth experiencing homelessness as well as our campaign in general. Tomorrow we have a dodgeball tournament, so I'm definitely excited for that. A lot of my friends are going to be there, so it'll be fun to kind of just relieve some stress and play some dodgeball, as well as we're going to the turret at night to sell some Gatorade, so definitely going to be fun because I feel like I'll see a lot more of my friends and my peers tomorrow, so it just will be an exciting day.
That's amazing. Well, thanks for sharing your experience so far with us, and we wish you all the best for day 2.
Yeah, see you tomorrow.